In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a track in CapCut Desktop. If you want to avoid accidentally moving or editing clips while you work, locking a track is a really useful feature to know. It helps keep your timeline organized and protects any video or audio that you've already placed exactly where you want it. This is especially helpful when you're making more detailed edits and don't want to mess up your progress. To get started, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the app is open, either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're just practicing, a new project is perfectly fine. If you're already editing something, go ahead and continue with that project. Next, add a video or audio clip to the timeline. You'll need at least one clip on a track in order to test the lock feature properly. Once the clip is in place, then take a look at the left side of the track area. This is where you'll find the lock icon. It's usually easy to spot, and it's specifically there to control whether that track can be edited. Now click the lock icon. After you do that, give it a brief moment and wait for the track to become locked. In most cases, this happens immediately, but it's still a good idea to visually confirm that the track is now in its locked state. Once the track is locked, try selecting or moving a clip on that track. This is the easiest way to test whether the lock has been applied successfully. If the feature is working correctly, you should find that the clip cannot be edited or moved. That's exactly what you want, because it means the track is protected from accidental changes. At this point, confirm that the track has been successfully locked. A quick visual check, along with the fact that the clip won't respond to editing or dragging, is usually all you need to verify it. If you need to make changes later, simply click the lock icon again to unlock the track. Once it's unlocked, the clips on that track should become editable and movable again, just like normal. This is a simple feature, but it can save you a lot of frustration when working on larger projects. Locking tracks is a great habit to build whenever you want to preserve your edit and work more confidently inside the timeline.